Go
ahead.
This is the Ryobi. We're going to be cutting some PVC. We're going to use the Ryobi Sawzall with a 4-inch blade with 18-volt lithium battery. And we're going to let Buddy show you how to do it.
He said, hell no, I ain't doing that. All right. All right, so we're going to show you how to do the piping. I know a lot of times I don't always do the PVC, but today we're going to do the PVC. And so as we do this, normally a 2-inch piece will be on here, but today the 2-inch did not fit. And so we're actually going to do this, which this will actually work a little bit better because we don't have a very straight run. So it's going to allow us to move a little bit.
Because it's made in China.
Made in China. All right, so we're going to just do kind of a short piece here because we need to power. We need to do that there. Yeah, 6 inches will be just fine. About 6 inches, right? 6 inches. Yeah, go ahead.
Right there. You're saying about right there?
Yeah, sure. It ain't got to be perfect. Normally, you can buy these, but Rick decided to get the ones at Harbor Freight that was $4 cheaper that don't do 2-inch pipe. But normally you can get these that do 2-inch pipe, but Rick wanted to save $4, so then he has to get this. Is this here was gonna come over here? It's like so. So we'll allow that to flow in there like so. That's gonna go here. We're just gonna build it here real quick. That's gonna get teed off there.
You want to go shorter?
We can, that way it keeps it out. Yeah, let's go a little bit shorter. That way it will, you can just leave that on there and cut the other end off.
That's a smart idea as well. That's why I got you.
So, you know, it's better to cut 4 times and measure once, so. And again, we will be using pipe stuff that'll be on the end here too, but I'm just we're gonna measure it first. All right, so we got that in there. You wanna cut it again? No, I'm just teasing. No, I think that'll be perfect because that way gives us enough here. And then the next thing, we are gonna use this, go ahead and get the longer piece. So the good thing about this here is we're actually gonna have a ball valve that's gonna stick out here pretty far. And the goal of this is if one, we are in New York, and so we want to make sure that if it's cold out, we can drain this tank. And so, and two, it's good that if you the other good thing too is that if or just cut it off right there. The other thing about doing this is if you get bleach in your eyeballs and you need to
we recommend eye safety.
Yeah, and gloves. But if you get bleach in your eyeballs or on you, you can have this, open this up, and that way it cleans out your eyeballs, that kind of stuff. So that's why we want to put a ball valve on here. Again, we're just, he's got his blowing in. And we want to just make sure everything fit. We'll take this all apart and we'll put our primer on there and just make it short. Is that going to be far enough or is that going to be too close to the door?
That's perfect.
Okay, so and then what we can do is just strap it on there or something. Yeah, everything will go in a tab.
Tie it right to this thing.
Yep, and then that way we'll be able to do everything we need to do.
Oh, this is already.
All right, so we haven't mounted this because I wanted to get this big hose on here before we go mounting this.
Side, but that's all right.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right. You need to do it.
That's all right.
Yeah. So. One thing we did here is we did put pipe cleaner on here, and pipe cleaner, you do want to pipe clean it and then glue it. And then did that go all the way in?
Yep.
Okay. And then we also did it down here, so that will get us all the way up.
Like this. You can see it.
Get it good and
it was as good as it was going to.
Oh yeah. Whew, that's to get you high too. Oh shoot.
Rubber or cement. I always forget to bring them out. 20 marker, 20 feet, 30 feet. For what? For both.
Feet or yard?
Or yard.
Yeah.
I don't think there's a big difference, to be honest with you, if you use it or you don't use it. But I use it just in case I miss something, then it might eat it away that I might miss. But I still have to go back through and just do some touch-up here and then. I mean, I don't know. That's what I do. I mean, I don't know if it's right or wrong, but some people don't even use end cleaner.
I guess that's one way you can do it. I don't know. I think it's helpful.
And what I did last year, which I never did before, was I sprayed it post with no soap. I just sprayed bleach back on it.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you what, the people were like over the weekend, man, this thing came out real nice. Especially after it rains. Because it always looks good wet.
Sure. No, they do.
All right. I would do one more right here.
I'm just trying to cook that.
That way, you know.
All
right. So we got that hooked up. We got that hooked up. I need to turn this on so I don't forget. We need to probably zip tie that big thing here somewhere so it don't rub on that hose. Just keep it. We may even go down here. We need to get that battery hooked up.